Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the home office deductions for freelancers on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into the video. The first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So all you got to do is determine if you're eligible for home office deductions based on your income, your business use of your home, as well as other factors. Now if you're eligible, then you can go ahead and gather necessary documents. So just go ahead and collect your home office expense receipts, statements, as well as other relevant documents such as utility bills, home mortgage, or rent. Now once you have all those documents, just go ahead and log into Turbotax. So go to Turbotax website and then log into your accounts using your email address and your password. And once you're signed into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the home office deduction for. Next, you're going to choose deduction from the menu and then select home office deduction. Next step is going to be to enter your home office deduction information. Now, of course, that includes your business use percentage, home office expenses, as well as other relevant details. Next, you're going to claim the home office deduction. Now that you've inputted all of that information, you're going to be able to claim the home office deduction based on your eligibility as well as your deduction information. That's pretty much it on how to claim the home office deduction for freelancers on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.